Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2017 Dodge Journey? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box houses high current fuses and relays for systems like the cooling fan, ABS, fuel pump, and ignition. It protects essential engine and drivetrain electrical circuits. This power distribution center ensures reliable power delivery and circuit protection under the hood. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box contains fuses for interior components such as the radio, power windows, interior lights, and climate control. It is typically located behind a panel on the driver's side dashboard. This box safeguards and manages the vehicle's cabin electrical systems. Types of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.